Adding 3-digit numbers, without regrouping, easy step-by-step maths. Today we are going to add 3-digit numbers. First we add the ones. Next we add the tens. Last we add the hundreds. Ria has 112 lollies. Layla has 132 lollies. How many lollies altogether? (112 plus 132 equals). First we add the ones. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Next we add the tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Finally we add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 equals 2. (244 lollies altogether). Let us practice addition. First we add the ones. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Next we add the tens. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Finally we add the hundreds. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the total is 385. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.